One of the amazing things on the chart is the new search function. It allows you to tap the looking glass icon and look up any bit of information that is on the chart, whether it's waypoints, routes, and tracks, whether it's icons, whether it's any bits of information that you need to see. So you can quickly and easily find that. So we're going to walk you through the steps on how to hit that icon and find those items very quickly. So for this feature, we open up the chart. If we don't see the icon, we simply tap the screen. You see the icons come up, and then you see the looking glass. So this opens up our search feature. So now it gives you categories that you can search. So if I want to open up what I want to find from the chart, I can go in and type in whatever information I need. So I'm going to type in Bahia Mar, which is a local marina. I'm going to hit search. And it's going to go out and pull me the information about Bahia Mar. So I can now actually go through. It shows it on our map. We can see what information. I can hit a go to if it's a marker or a buoy that I've called up and I have a safe passageway. I can hit go to. I can also go in and see some more information about that. But you'll notice it has moved me to Bahia Mar. And then when you're there, you'll notice that there are different icons about that marina. So I can go and tap those icons and find out what services it has. So you search it, you select it, it jumps the chart right to it to help you. We're going to go in now and we're going to, if you want to do coordinates, so if you want to go to a certain spot, somebody's giving you coordinates for a waypoint, for a wreck, for a dive spot, you can now input those coordinates and take the chart right there. So again, you just tap them in and it'll take you to that location. A waypoint, so here's where you can go in and search your waypoint list. Whatever you have, you can go search. Again, if you have a huge almanac, which we do have a lot of users that'll have, 1,000, 2,000 waypoints, all you're going to do is start searching by typing in the name. So as soon as you start typing in the name, it will realign that almanac and allow you to find that a lot quicker rather than having to scroll through the menu of 1,000 waypoints. And like we did with waypoints, routes are the same way. So you could go through and find that route. So if I'm going to the Bahamas here from Florida and I want my entranceway to Bimini, maybe I've named that route Bimini Entrance. I can again start typing the name, find that Bimini Entrance, and now use that route to get there. From your tides and currents page, we're going to break, let it set up. It's going to show you the closest tide stations. You notice you see the icons from either the vessel, if you're on your vessel, or if I go back and maybe I move up the coast and I'm traveling and I want to know that this evening I'm going to be way up the coast here, I need to make sure I'm good there. When I find my tides here, it's going to be up there in Jensen Beach where I put my cursor. So it's not just always located around the vessel, so now you can search where you're traveling to.